If your AirPods Pro 3 are flashing a green light and making a sound like a chime or beep, it indicates an anomaly, not a standard function. This issue, common since late 2024, often means the AirPods are trying to pair, reset, or sync. This problem is primarily software-driven, not a hardware defect. It's triggered by incomplete pairing, such as Bluetooth interference, low battery or charging issues, sensor malfunctions, or firmware bugs. These are common when pairing with non-Apple devices like Android phones. Don't worry, this is affecting only 5 to 10% of users. The light itself is related to the H2 chip's proximity and audio sensors. Most fixes are simple. First, try unpairing and repairing your AirPods. A force restart often resolves the issue. Make sure your AirPods Pro 3 firmware and iOS are up to date. Compatibility with chargers matters. Use MFI-certified accessories to avoid false triggers. Monthly firmware checks are recommended. For enterprise users, ensure compatibility with your Wi-Fi network to avoid interference. If problems persist, seek assistance via Apple's support page. Expert analysts suggest that future iOS updates, like iOS 19, might include enhanced diagnostics and predictive maintenance to reduce these issues.